How to optimize Hunting Sniper for a low-end Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're playing Hunting Sniper on low-end Android device and experiencing lag, stuttering or slow loading, firstly go ahead and open up your Hunting Sniper application on your device and also make sure to close off any background running apps. Bring up the app switcher and close off any other application running in the background and make sure that the Hunting Sniper is the only game that's running. Now once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap the menu icon at the top of the screen and click Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Game. Under Game, go to Quality and choose Low or Medium option. Once you are done, you can get back to the game and now go ahead and look for the app update. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, type in Hunting Sniper. In the search result, look for the Hunting Sniper app and open it up and check if there is an update button available. If you see an update button, tap on it. If you don't see an update button, then it means you already are running on the updated version of the app. You can also turn on auto update by going to the top right and tapping on the three dots and make sure that you check on enable auto update. So whenever the new update is available for Hunting Sniper, it will automatically update the app. So those were some of the ways you can easily optimize Hunting Sniper for a low-end Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.